Kardom nang litum like bom like kar video channel nang litum jong si so channel long pini si video kelang ceng lang ponote nili channel subscribe kita lapen bell kan nang litum press kita nili ka upload video nang litum aprang si kelang polong gifan te pini video lang ponsena pini jika video long aprang si question ke lapo hello army full from kupila nang litum laso full from 5 ang bong penang litum matai ta lapen komen nalong nampak cini ta answer ke lapo hello A for alert, R for regular, M for mobility, Y for young lalu army full form lo te next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello computer full form kopila nang litum laso answer 5 ang bong pen matai ta lapen komen long nampak cini ta answer ke lapo hello commonly operating machine particularly used for technical educational research lalu computer full form lo te next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello CRPF full form kopila nang litum 5 second nang bong laso answer matai kra lepan komen long nampak cini ta answer ke lapo hello Central Reserve Police Force lalu CRPF full form lo te next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello NSG full form kopila NSG full form answer ke lapo hello National Security Guard lalu NSG full form lo the next question lang pontusina Cobra full form kopila nang litung la answer mathai gran lipan komen lo nang pachini tha answer ke lapo hello the commando battalion of resolute action lalu Cobra full form lo te next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello BSF full form kopila nang litung 5 second nang bonang litung mathai gran lipan komen lo nang pachini tha answer ke lapo hello border security force lalu BSF full form lo the next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello CISF full form kopila nang litung 5 second nang bong mathara nilifan la komen lo nang pachini tha answer ke lapo hello Central Industrial Security Force lalu CISF full form lo the next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello OK full form kopila nang litung 5 second nang bong nilifan la answer ang pitha answer ke lapo hello all correct the next question lang pontusina next question lapo hello teacher full form kopila nang litung la answer mathai gran nilifan komen lo nang pachini tha answer ke lapo hello talented educated adorable charming helpful encouraging responsible lalu teacher full form lo te next question lang pontusina next question ke lapo hello police full form kopila nang litung la answer 5 second nang bong nilifan komen lo nang pachini tha answer ke lapo hello a polite obedient loyal intelligent clever efficient lalu police full form lo tenang litung jong si lason jika video kelang ninghang ponote nilifan like comment lapen share iknon nili lasona video nang litung pan kaita nampak lang pon pompo te pini video pansikang ton lo next video nang lecitang tusenang bye